Namaste everyone. Welcome to Chittamandara Wellness. Today I will be practicing strength practice. It's not for beginners. If you are in the practice for quite some time or you are in a beginners to intermediate level, you can try out this video. Or else you can adopt variation and try the practice, but do not overdo it. Let's start. Sit comfortably. Sit straight, back straight, shoulder blades rolled back. Bring your shoulder blades together in front, roll them up and stack them back. Chin slightly tucked in, close your eyes. Normal and natural breathing. Take a moment, center yourself. Let go of all worries, problems, any kind of thought process running inside your mind. Set them aside. Let's chant one round of Om to begin the session. Hands to heart center, Namaskara Mudra. Take a deep breath in, inhale. Rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. Open your eyes to your palms. Look up. Namaste. Extend your arms in front and make a fist and release. Do it at least 25 to 30 times. Preparing our wrist for the practice. Thumb inside once, thumb outside once. Continue to do it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I know your arms are hurting now, but go on. Just few more moments. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Extending your arms again, hold your right fingers with your left and just fold them towards your body. Just folding as much as you can. Release. Repeat the same thing, holding your left palm or fingers and fold it towards you. Release. Extend your right leg diagonally. Tuck your toes. Bend your right knee. Inhaling, arms up to the ceiling. Exhaling, bend laterally to the right. You might be here or go all the way down, doesn't matter. Inhale, arms up towards your right leg. Exhale, fold forward. Inhaling, center. Exhale, left palm behind your buttocks. Lift your hip up and forward. Open up. Hip down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend laterally. Inhaling up. Exhaling, fold. Inhaling up again. Exhale, lift your hip up. Inhale, hip down, arms up. Exhale, bend laterally. This time hold. Make sure your arm is over your ear. Do not sink down. Open your shoulder, open your chest. Take another deep breath in, inhaling, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Hold here. Take a deep breath in, inhale here. Exhale, left palm behind your buttocks. Lift your hip up and forward. Open your chest. Hold. Inhale, hip down, arms up. Exhaling, release. Bend your right knee, extend your left leg. Tuck your toes. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend laterally to whatever extent you can. Inhaling up. Exhaling forward. Inhaling up. Exhale, palm behind. Lift your hip up. Open up. Inhale, arms up again. Exhale, bend laterally. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, hip down, arms up. Exhale, bend laterally. Hold this time. Each side of the body is different in terms of flexibility. So accepting and working with it. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, fold forward and hold. Wherever you are, you're doing just fine, whether on the mat or in life. Inhale, arms up to the ceiling. Exhale, palm behind. Lift your hip up. Hold and breathe. Hip down, inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, release. Bend both your knees to the side, soles of the feet together. Interlocked fingers around your toes, start flapping your thighs. Once you are ready, begin to flap them fast. You should be able to hear tapping of your thighs to the floor or to the mat. Ending the practice, inhale, arms up again. Exhaling, release. Releasing the posture on your palms and knees. Marjorie. Prepare. Once you're ready, inhaling, extend your left arm and right leg. Exhaling, elbow to knee. Inhaling, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhaling, extend, hold, breathe. Release your left palm down. Inhale here. Foot can come down or foot up. Exhaling, raise your right arm up to the ceiling. Remember, you have an option to keep your foot down. Right foot can come down or up. Upper arm over your ear. Breathe. Bend your right knee. Hold arch of the foot from behind. Kick that foot to the hand. Hold here, taking a back bend. Feel your body. Connect with your breath. Releasing, inhale. Extend your arm, extend your leg. Exhale, palm down, foot down, knee still off the floor. Take a deep breath in, inhale here. Exhale, pick your left knee up to nose. Hold and breathe. stacking your wrist, elbows and shoulders in a single line. You are coming to the plank. Only difference is your knees up. Take a deep breath in, inhale, left foot forward. Back knee can be down for variation as it's a strength class, as it's a power class. I will be going little intense. Inhaling, arms up, body up. Exhaling, fold forward, swing your arms back. Hold here. Breathe. Inhale, arms up again. Exhaling, turn to the right. Virabhadra 2, bending your left knee. Inhaling, straighten your knee, arms up. Exhaling, bend your knee, arms shoulder level. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhale, right arm down, left arm up. Exhale, palm down, leg back. You can do Ashtanga or you can take Chaduranga. Inhale, Bhujanga or Urdhva. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Lengthen your inhalation. Lengthen your exhalation. Gazing ahead, inhale. Step your right foot outside of right palm, left foot outside of left palm, Malasana. Exhale, raise your hip up, head down. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, leg back, Adho. You can step or jump forward. Inhale, jump or step forward, Malasana. Exhale, raise your hip up. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, Adho. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, hip down. Exhale, Adho. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, Adho. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, Adho. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, Malasana. Hold this time using your elbows. Push your knees outside. Making space for chest to breathe. Take a moment here to ground yourself, to stabilize yourself, to bring your breath back to normal. Connecting with your breath, connecting with the ground. Palms down, inhale here. Exhaling, raise your hip up, feet parallel to each other, feet hip distance apart. Hold your big toes with 3-finger grip. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, fold forward and hold and breathe. Keep breathing. You can bend your knees. Make sure you're not rounding your back too much. Keeping your head down. Taking a moment here. Inhaling, head up, chest up. Exhaling, palm down, leg back, Adho Mukha. Svanasana. Inhaling, knees down on the mat. Prepare for the other side now.
Once you're ready, inhaling, extend your right arm and left leg. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend, hold, breathe. Keeping your right palm down, inhale here. Left foot can come down on the mat or raise it up. Exhale, raise your left arm. That's all. Upper arm over your ear. Raising your left leg up. Hold. Breathe. If you want to take a bind, bend your left knee, hold arch of the foot, kick that foot to the hand. And breathe. Opening your chest, opening your heart. Take another deep breath in, inhaling, extend your arm, extend your leg, exhale, left palm down, left foot down, left knee off the floor. Inhale deeply, exhale, pick your right knee up, knee to nose, coming to the plank, holding here, building strength in the body, power in the body. Take a deep breath in, inhaling, bring your foot forward. Exhale here, take a breather. Whenever you are ready, inhale, arms up, body up. Ashta Chandrasana. Exhaling, fold forward. Arms back, navel on thigh, hold here, chest up. Inhale, arms up, body up. Exhaling, turn to the left side, Virabhadra 2. Your left foot is parallel to the shorter edge of the mat, right foot is towards right side. Prepare. Inhale, arms up, knees straight. Exhale, bend your knee, arms shoulder level. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhale down. Inhale, left arm down, right arm up, take a lateral stretch. Exhale, cartwheel your palms, palms down, leg back, Chaduranga or Ashtanga, any variation. Inhale, Bhujanga or thighs off the floor for Urdhva. Exhale, Adho. Lengthen your inhalation. Lengthen your exhalation. Prepare. Once you are ready, bring your knees down on the mat, elbows down on the mat. Interlocked fingers. Tuck your toes. Inhale here. Exhale, knees off the floor, hip to ceiling. Ardha Pincha Mayurasana, moving to dolphin push-ups or Matsya Kridasana. Inhale, slide your body forward. Exhale, hip to ceiling. Inhale, slide. Exhale, back. Inhale, slide. Exhale, back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can skip 1 or 2 rounds, but stick with me. Last 2. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Walk your feet a little more forward if you can. Heels may or may not touch the ground. Make sure your head is off the mat. Hold here and breathe. Three, 2, 1. Inhaling, knees down. Release your mind. Exhale. Shashankasana, hip on heels. Forehead down. Make sure your hip is on your heel. You can always make fist and place your forehead down. Knees can be wide or knees together. Breathe in and breathe out. Prepare. Coming back to Adho Mukha. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhaling, right leg up to the ceiling. Exhaling, right knee, right elbow. Inhaling, right leg up. Exhaling, right knee, left elbow. Inhaling, right leg up. Exhaling, right foot forward between your palms to heel your back foot to 45 degree. Raise up, stacking your right knee on ankle. Virabhadra 1. Let's move to humble warrior. Interlock your fingers behind. Inhaling, arch back. Exhale, fold forward from your head. Hold here. Inhaling, raise up, arms up. Exhaling, hands to heart center. Inhale deeply. Exhale, twist your body to the right. Hold. Head higher, hip lower. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, arms up. Exhaling, release. Keep your palm down inside. Shift your right foot outside. Okay, variation, back knee down. Or else keep it up and prepare. Inhale, exhaling, bring your elbows down. You have an option to stay here and continue with the posture or elbows down. Utthana Prishthasana. Breathe. Raising up, inhale, come back on your palms. Prepare. Exhale. Now right foot goes back, left foot outside of the left palm. Prepare yourself. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Last one. Inhale right. Exhale left. Take a deep breath in, inhale here. Exhaling, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Checking with your breath. Inhaling, Dandasana. Exhaling, Chaduranga or Ashtanga. Inhaling, Bhujanga. Exhale, Adho. Gazing ahead, inhale, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Utthana. Inhaling, Urdhva Hasta. Exhale, bend your elbows. Push your chest forward. Head back. Hold. Breathe. Gathering your breath. Rejuvenating the entire body. Inhaling, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Ashtanga or Chaduranga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Adho. Prepare. Moving to left side. Once you're ready, to heel your right foot to 45 degree, inhale, left foot forward, stack your knee on ankle, Virabhadra 1. Hold. You always have an option to just stay here, or let's move to humble warrior. Take your hands back, interlock, inhale, arch back. Exhale, fold forward and breathe. Take a deep breath in, inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, releasing, keep your palms inside, adjust, foot outside. You can just stay here or bring your elbows down on the mat. Hold, breathe. Variation, back knee down or come on your palms. Adopting whatever suits our body. Slowly come back. Inhale here. Prepare once you are ready. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Left palm goes back. Right foot forward. Continue. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hold, wonderful. Take a deep breath in, exhaling, Adho Mukha. Breathe in and breathe out. You can take a vinyasa or skip it completely, absolutely fine. Inhaling, Dandasana. Exhaling, Ashtanga. My body is tired. I am adopting a variation. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Adho. Breathe in and breathe out. Walk your palms back, bend your knees, squat down, Malasana. and prepare for Kakasana. Keeping your palms down on the mat, tuck your knee to the upper arm or armpit. You can just try lifting your hip up, coming on your toes and hold, or lift your feet up. Any variation is fine. Inhale here, lifting up, gazing ahead around 6 inches away from your palm. Look ahead on the mat, down but forward. Lifting your one leg up, lifting the other leg up, holding here, breathing here, finding your calm, even here. It's all right to fall, it's all right to lose balance. Can I keep my calm even now? Breathing goes on even now. Coming back, inhale, center Malasana. Just extending gratitude towards this practice. Observing the sensations in the body. And slowly releasing. Sit on your sit bones, bending your knees to the side. Soles of the feet together. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, fold forward. See the back should be neutral. Push your chest forward. Push your lower back forward. And fold forward. Chin down or forehead down. Hold here. Slowing down your breath, calming down, and slowly raise up. Inhale, exhale, releasing knees together. Hold your big toes with 3-finger grip. Inhale here. Prepare. Come towards middle of the mat if you can. Raise your feet off the floor on exhale. Keep it straight or bent. If it is very difficult, hold your thighs. Absolutely fine. Whatever suits you today, do only that. Dynamic Navasana to test our strength, to build our strength. Inhale, extend your knee, lower back touching the mat. Exhale, bend your knee. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. If it is difficult, palm can be down. Inhale, exhale. Any variation is fine. Keep doing that. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. That's all. Inhale. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Go slowly down on the mat. Breathe. I'm going to finish in Chakrasana or Urdhva Dhanurasana. But instead of Urdhva Dhanura, you can do Khandarasana, keeping your hip up. Just staying with your arms beside your body, lifting your hip up and holding is absolutely fine. Or else, palms beside your head. Press your palm. Press your feet. Inhale here. Exhale, lift your hip up. Top of the head can be down for variation, staying here. Or lift your head up. Adjust, push your chest towards the shorter edge and hold here. And breathe. You always have an option to come back and lie down, or else holding here for a little longer time. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale all the way down. Bend your knees to the side. Hold your big toes. Open your knees and dangle here. Ananda Balasana. Release. Bending your knees to the side, soles of the feet together to release any tension which might have built up in the practice. Allowing gravity to take over. Let go of anything which is not serving you right now. Thoughts, feelings, experiences. And embracing the new change, new opportunities, new experiences. Embracing the movement of your thighs towards floor. Letting go, letting go. Letting go. Letting go of resistance. Letting go of rigidity. Using your hands. Close the gap between your knees. Keep your feet mat distance apart. Arms over your head. Inhale here. Exhale, drop your knees to the right and hold. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your knees to the left and hold. Inhaling, center. Exhale, extend your knees, lie down in Shavasana. Keeping your feet mat distance apart, leave enough space for armpits, palm facing ceiling. Fingers can be slightly curled, chin slightly tucked in. Close your eyes, lie down in silence. Prepare to come out of Shavasana. Move your fingers, toes, neck side to side. Keeping your feet together, interlock your fingers over your head. Inhaling, give yourself a nice stretch. Exhaling, left hand on navel, left leg bent. Turn towards your right side. Whenever you are ready, Sit up straight in any comfortable posture. Hands on thighs. Closing your eyes. Sit straight, back straight. Shoulder blades rolled back. Chin slightly tucked in. Just take a moment and observe the entire session today. Impact of the session on your body and mind. Accepting body limitations. Respecting changes in the body and mind. Let's end the session with one round of Om chanting. Hands to heart center, Namaskara Mudra. Take a deep breath in, inhale. Rub your palms together. Create enough heat. Place them on your eyes, cheeks, neck, at your heart center. Open your eyes to your palms. Look up. Namaste. Thank you so much for being part of the practice today. You guys have a lovely day ahead. Namaste.